don't have these labeled, Paul, but we'll talk about what this is in a minute. But you'll figure it out sooner. You'll figure it out pretty fast. But the top here, this is your jib halyard. This is your main halyard. I know this is the main because it's thicker. You can see this is thinner. Right? This is a little thicker. So the main is thicker than the jib. This is your spinnaker halyard, the blue one.
Same thing, huh?
And that's for your screecher.
Oh, this is fat too.
Yeah, that's for your screecher. So you got your main and your screecher on the right-hand side, and you got your jib and your spinnaker on the left-hand side. Okay. All right. So we're going to work with the jib right now, so I'm going to loosen that up, right? And what that does is that loosens the halyard right here so that I can get it and attach it to the sail.
Okay.
So this is what pulls the sail up, called the halyard. Alright, so got that on there. Now the next thing to hook up is what's called the sheets. So these are the sheets. This is what controls the back side of the sail, or what's called the clew. So you pull out the bottom of the sail is called the foot. Pull out the foot here. Here's my foot, and I know that this one goes to the left, and this one goes to the right. So then I take these two lines. First thing I do is I put them through this little guy there, and there's a knot. There should be a knot in the end. So let's get a knot in here. A little knot in there. So these come through like that, and then what I do is I take it and it goes through this block, back through this hole, and through here, and then once you get it through here, you want to tie another knot in it because you don't want it to come out while you're sailing. So if you don't tie this knot in there, it's possible it could slip out of there, right? That's not a good thing. Okay, so see how that controls. See how that controls the sail there? Okay. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side, over here. By the way, bring it through this guy first. Got a knot in the end there so it doesn't come through. Go through this little block, back through here. And he's getting all that on video, so you'll be able to review that later. Okay, so now we're hooked up, right? And now if we were, this is what I try to do all this, what I'm doing right now, before you leave the dock, or before you leave the mooring ball, right? So you're ready to go when you get out there. Now, if we had the windshield up, these lines right here would be going through that little slot, right? All right, let's get that out. All right, so then, once you got your sail all hooked up, now you're ready to go. You can pull it up, all right? So you pull it up. There it is. And then you just tighten it up depending on which angle the wind's coming from, and you're good to go. All right, so if we were out sailing right now, we'd have, reverse these. Anyway, that's generally how it works. Make sense?